Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Amy Renee. I post new boo 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 boo. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, my name is Amy Renee. I post new beauty videos every Tuesday and Friday. If you've been here before, welcome back. We've got a good one today. We're up a little bit close and personal, a little closer than we usually are. And that's because today I am going to be teaching you guys how to do winged eyeliner. I'm going to be giving you my best tips and tricks to get good at winged eyeliner, get that sharp line so you can cut somebody with it. You know, wow, I feel like a train wreck in this video. Okay, well, you know what, because I just don't know what's going on anymore, how about we just scooch in just a little bit closer and we can start working on this because I need to do something. Hey guys, we are up close and personal. Hi, how you doing? So today I'm going to be showing you my two favorite ways to do winged eyeliner. It's a good way to practice, get good at it, and also, you know, get that sharp line that we're all looking for. I want to mention a few key points before I get started. I have some notes here, so sorry if I'm looking down, reading them off my phone because I wanted to make sure to tell you guys this. When you're starting off with liquid eyeliner, there are a few things that are helpful to know, and so here they are. Use a liquid or a gel liner. Using a pencil when you're trying to do a winged liner almost never works. It comes out patchy, the lines will not be as sharp as you want them to, so make sure that you are using a liquid or a gel. If you're using a gel liner, make sure that you have a thin and fairly stiff brush to use it with. The brush that I would recommend, this is the Sonia Kashuk number 27. I use this for my eyebrows, but it is super thin and fairly stiff and will create some sharp lines for you. That said, if you're using a liquid, I would recommend finding a liner that has a felt tip that moves. So this one is my current favorite. It's the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. You can see there's this little point to it, but it has, like, it moves. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it doesn't just stay stiff. This is gonna give you a little bit more control. I find that the ones that don't move at all are a lot harder to work with. So the Stila is my favorite. Also the Kat Von D tattoo liner is really good. And I also really like the Sephora liquid liner. So those are the ones that I would go with. So I think we'll just hop right into it now. I'm gonna be showing you guys the two different ways on both sides of my face. I'm gonna do one way on this side, one way on the other. So we are gonna start off with the one that I think is the easiest, and that is going to be using handy dandy Scotch tape. This is my trick for so many different eye looks. When you're using Scotch tape, you wanna rip off a piece that's, I don't know, maybe an inch or so. What you wanna do is you wanna try and remove almost all of the stickiness from it. If you're like me and you do your eyes after you do your base foundation, if it's really sticky, it'll pull off all of the product that's underneath it. If you do your eyes before you do your base makeup, if it's really sticky, it's just gonna hurt when you pull it off. So you don't want to do that to yourself. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm going to line this up basically where I want the bottom of my wing to be. And the best way to gauge the angle of your wing, one is to think about your eye shape and kind of what effect you want to have on your eye shape. So pulling your wing liner out straight can give your eyes more of an elongated look. Pulling it more up can give them more of a lifted look. So really think about your eye shape, what effect you want to have, and then also kind of just a rule of thumb is if you really don't know, follow the line of your lower lash line. So you can see my lower lash line kind of curves, goes like this, and then goes up. So generally, that's the line that I follow when I'm doing my winged liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna set this tape at the angle that I want my eyeliner to be at. Okay, and I'm just gonna press it in kind of where I'm gonna have my eyeliner. I don't stick it very much anywhere else. We're beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna take my liquid eyeliner, and usually I start at the front of the eye. So I am just gonna draw a small line from the front of the eye all the way to the end. It doesn't have to be perfect, just, you know, get a thin line there to give us something to work with. So once you have that line down, what I do, I'm gonna take my liner and I am going to create the bottom of my wing. Pull it out as far as you want to. I like to pull mine out a little bit far. I like something a little dramatic. That's just me. So then, once you have the bottom of that created, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your liner and pull from the top of that wing back into the line that we created earlier. We're going a little thick today. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and fill that in with my liner. And don't worry, you know, if it's a little uneven on the edge, because once you pull that tape up, it'll be nice and even. So this is the outside portion of our wing liner is done. So we're just gonna pull at that tape and you can see a nice straight line. And it didn't really take off any of the product underneath because it wasn't that sticky. Beautiful. So then what we're gonna do is I am just going to basically fill in this front portion of the eye so the line here meets up with the line here. You can see I kind of have this weird gap right there. I'm just gonna fill it in. And that is one eye done. Pretty quick and painless. I think that's probably my favorite way to do my eyeliner. The tape just, you know, really ensures that you have that sharp line. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the next eye. The next method of doing the eyeliner, it's a little bit harder, but if you don't want scotch tape on your face or you don't have scotch tape lying around, this is a good way to do it. So we're gonna start the same way we did with the other eye, and I'm just gonna draw a thin line along my lash line. Okay, and then just like we did with the other eye, I'm gonna come out here and I'm gonna draw the bottom of my wing. I'm gonna try and make it match up with this eye as best as we can. And don't freak out if the bottom of your line isn't perfectly straight right now. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing we did on the other eye. Take our liner from the top of the wing and just pull it down into that line that we created. Okay, and then we're just gonna go ahead and fill that in with our liner. And then again, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in that front part of the eye to make sure that the liner matches all the way across the eye. Okay, so our wings are fairly even. They're even enough to, you know, pull this off. So you'll notice that the line on this wing is not as sharp as the one where we did the scotch tape. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take a concealer that is about the same shade as my face or whatever's right next to my eye, and I'm just gonna carve out the bottom of this wing. And then you just wanna take that concealer and blend it down, kind of in patting motion. And I'm just gonna go over it with whatever setting powder that I used on my face. So it's the same color. Just off the excess, and bam. Now you have a sharp wing on that side too. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes, guys, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I popped some fake lashes on. So this is what the eyes look like right now. I have a few more tips for you guys, so we're not done yet. I just wanted to say that when you are a beginner, when you are starting with something like winged eyeliner, it's going to take practice. I know that nobody wants to hear that. Everyone wants kind of like the easy way, just, you know, learn how to do it like that. But it's gonna take practice. The first ones you do are probably not gonna look great, but just keep practicing. Don't get discouraged. I promise it gets a lot easier fast. Like the more you practice, the faster you will get better and it gets easier. Secondly, this is actually gonna be my last tip. But if you really f up your eyeliner, one of my favorite tricks is take a black eyeshadow, smudge it out, and make it look like a smoky eye, and make it look like you did it on purpose. That's the easiest way to do it. So if you really mess it up, girl, get your black eyeshadow and smudge that shit out. So that is that. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Leave me a comment and let me know which method you like better, if you think one looks better than the other. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified every single time I post, and follow me on all my other social media profiles. Those will be in the description and also on the end card. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!